Hope you download all the resources from the date. Hey everyone, hope you download the resources from the hope you download the data from the resources, and if you download the data from the resources you'll get one zip file, and inside the zip file you can notice that one folder is there, sub selected, and you can see some bunch of images are there. So these are all the images on my visiting card. Okay, now what we will do, let's extract the data by right click and extract here. And if you do this, you can able to extract all the data that was there in the visiting card into the selected folder. And once you open the selected folder, and you can see the visiting card images are there with a different format. We collected these business card from the different resources, few of them from the internet and most of them from the people we know, and we asked them and they given us the visiting card. And what we did, we take the visiting card and scanned using some mobile applications like scanner and save that in an appropriate format. And this is most of the visiting cards, whatever you can see, all are real scanned business cards. Okay, so this is what the data what we have till now, and if possible we will also add more and more visiting cards in upcoming updates. All right, now what we will do is let's take one of the business card and open that business card into the Jupyter notebook. Let's see that. Now let's open a browser where the Jupyter notebook is running, and here you can notice that the untitled is what we created in the previous lesson to test our all the necessary packages are working or not. Now let's make use of this and let's try to understand the basics of PyTestRat in this notebook. Okay, so let me name it as 01. It is PyTestRat basics. Now, and I will also import all the necessary libraries. This is anyway required for me except Spacy, because Spacy I'm not using currently. I will use this Spacy in the training process, and the rest of the things is required for me. And let me execute this. Now the next step what I will do here is let's load one of the image, and you can go to this business card NER and selected, and you can select what are the image you want. Okay, I'm going to select one image which is shown in the PPT, that is 52.jpeg. Okay, let's load that image first. You can load the image using IMG. There are the different ways to load the image. You can use either CV2, you can load the image either using the PIL, doesn't matter. You can load the image with the different sources. Let me load the image using CV2 and PIL, and let's see how you can able to get the output from the PyTestRat. The first one is using CV2. So I'll name it a variable name as im_cv. That's going to be equal to cv2.imread. And what you're going to do here is that we are going to read the image. This is from the selected data, and from this I'm going to read 052.jpg, and this is the image which I shown in the PPT. Okay, now in order to display this image we can use this following command, cv2.mshow, and this is what the name of the window, nothing but I'll name it as business card, and the variable name I want to show here is img_cv. Okay, now cv2 set the wait key, and this wait key will tell you how much of delay you just want to wait. I will set the value to 0, meaning that you're seeing the OpenCV that you are manually closing this image. Okay, now after that cv2 destroy all windows, means once the wait key is over I need to destroy all the windows. Now let's execute it. All right, so this is what the business card what we got here, and you can notice that this is what exactly which I shown in the PPT. Cool, right? Let me also load the image using PIL. Okay, and name it as im_PIL, that's equal to PIL.image.open Now you need to set the path. The path is the same path, which is selected and 52.jpeg. And remember, this PIL will basically read the image in object, and you can look into the type of that. And this is going to be an object, like saying that it is a PIL and jpeg file, something like this. Whereas this CV2 will basically read an image in an array. If you look in the data type of CV, and this is an array, which is a numpy format, and it is an array. Okay, that's what the basic difference between the PIL and array. In order to display this PIL, what you need to do is that you can simply enter the command, what are the variable you want, and now execute it. And you can notice that this is the visiting card is what we have, and you can directly display that using the following things. Hope you understand how to load the image using OpenCV and PIL. In the next lesson, we will see more on this. Until then, happy learning.